Hello YouTube, here's my stomach. We're going to be making ribs today, and I've never done this before, and hopefully I'll do a good job with it. I'll do it again. I got the ribs thawing over here. There they are. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in the cookie bag that we normally use in most of our videos. But they're too long. So to remedy that, take my knife, find about a halfway mark, and cut. They're a little frozen still. We took them out of the freezer last night. But they cut pretty good. Muscle there. Okay. So now we got 2 packs of ribs. Normally what I do while I'm doing this is I preheat the oven to 350, but I'm going to be actually cooking this later. So I'm going to pepper it now, which is about 9:14 in the morning, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge. Probably around 2 or 3, whenever I get around to think about it, I'm going to put it in the oven, cook it for 2 hours. And then I'll turn the oven off, leave it in there until about 7 when we eat. And then we'll try it and hopefully it's good.
I can start at 4:30 today.
Oh, okay, well.
So maybe you can probably get it in a little earlier.
Yeah, I could put it in probably around 1 or 2. That will be done by 3 or 4. Anyway. Get our bag.
Okay.
And our pan.
Yep.
In our small apartment, we keep our pans in the oven to save space.
Hi.
Yeah, pans are good.
Okay.
So,
do a dry rub.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just put the pan in the oven in the pan right now.
Oh.
There, getting that ready.
Hmm.
Alright, so what I'm going to start with is a little bit of salt. We like salt. Just kind of put that on there. And a little garlic. As far as the seasoning goes, you can use whatever you want because, you know, there's nothing.
And it says paprika, cayenne pepper.
We have all that, but you don't like either one?
Yeah, no, I don't. I don't like cayenne pepper.
Just kind of rub it around.
That should be good.
Give it a little bit of flavoring.
You can put a little bit if you want, but don't saturate it with cayenne pepper.
Paprika. Paprika's not hot.
No.
Throw a little bit of that in there. Give it a little color.
I don't know how spicy that barbecue sauce is.
It just says original. We're just using the Walmart brand.
Yeah.
We'll just put a little bit on the hand there. Just rub that on there. That's good. And whenever you're handle raw meat, always wash your hands in between.
Right.
Don't want to cross-contaminate anything.
Oh, he's learning from my videos.
Well, I worked in restaurants for a long time too, so. Okay, so now I got the bag that I put in the pan a little bit earlier. And I'm just going to hold now because I have no table. And we're just going to put those right in there. Okay. Kind of looks like fish, but it's not.
Oh, those are perfect for that.
Okay, I'm going to take this out here. Put it down.
And then we're gonna put onions and
Onions and potatoes.
onions and potatoes.
We had onions with our meal last night, and I chopped the rest of one of the onions up, so it's like half an onion. You do it just like you would a roast or anything like that. Like I said, I've never made ribs before because I'm not really a big fan of them. I like the ribs themselves, but not the sauce, which I forgot to put on there. So
You can put sauce on it if you want to.
what I'm going to do is put a little bit of sauce in here so it cooks into the meat. But then you can put the rest on after it's done. After it's done, you can. It's like a condiment. a little on top. And then as it cooks, it'll spread out. And you got almost a whole ball yet.
I'll wipe that bottle off.
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
Take the potatoes.
Hey, just
right
throw them in there.
Yeah, right out of the bag, dirt and all. Best way to do them. And we're just going to use probably...
And I'm going to be thinking about these all day now.
Yeah. That's enough for both of us?
About 3 each. Yeah, that should be good.
Okay, so we got about half a bag left then for another meal.
Yeah.
And that's, you know, pretty much all we do with it. Like I said, this is the first time we were doing this, so...
You got to put any kind of liquid in there?
That's what, what do I have?
I don't know. What kind of liquid can you put in there?
I got...
Maybe a little bit of water.
Yeah, water's good. I was looking to see if we had any gravy, because that would be good.
No, not gravy.
No? Got tomato soup or sloppy Joe mix?
No.
No? Okay, so water it is.
Yeah. Just enough so they don't stick. They don't burn.
They're going to stick to the bag anyway, that's the way these bags are. But there's 1 cup of water.
That should be good.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'll tie it up. I got stuff to go with it. I got the potatoes and onions there yesterday. I should have got some kind of sauce to put in there. But I didn't, like a marinade.
I'll probably put barbecue sauce on mine. I like mine thick with barbecue sauce.
You can put anything you want, or you want barbecue sauce, ketchup.
Yeah.
Relish, whatever you want, or
steak sauce.
Whatever you're into.
I did kind of a search for how to make those, but you also can do them in a crock pot.
You can.
For 6 hours.
They will fall apart in the crock pot, though.
Oh, that's a good way.
Yeah, you'll have basically a bunch of beef floating around with bones. Unless you tie it up in a mesh bag. But anyway, that's the prep of it. That was pretty quick. See what the timer's at. It took 7 minutes to do the entire prep. So it's not a long time to do a meal. There is no vegetable in here, other than the potatoes and the onions. So what I'm going to do is probably just microwave something to go along with it. I think string beans is probably good for ribs.
Any kind of vegetable.
Yeah, but something that would go along with ribs, either string beans or even carrots.
Well, we'll have to get some kind of frozen.
Oh, I'm going to the store after. Well, you work at a place that has a grocery store in it.
Yep.
So anyway, that's our video for the moment. When you come back, you'll probably be putting it in the oven if I remember to do it. Otherwise, be the finished product or something. So there will be more to the video. But once you get it in the bag, you just seal it with the little black thing that comes with it. Pull a couple holes in it. And at this point, you put it in the oven for 2 hours. But like I said, I'm going to do that a little bit later.
Yeah, we're going to have to put it in the refrigerator for now.
Right. So we got open our fridge here. I don't know if you can see over here now. But up here. Put that over. I'm just going to put it in our fridge. So I got to go to the grocery store there for getting a kind of bear. But that's that. So stay tuned and you'll see some more in a few minutes. Turn the oven on now to 350. Also take it like I mentioned earlier, we keep our pans in the oven in the same space because we have such a small apartment. So now it's empty. Let that warm up and then it's been about 10 minutes or so, so we're gonna open up the oven again. It's nice and warm in there, feel it. I'm gonna take our ribs that have been marinating for some time. Put them in there. It is now 1:45, so I'm gonna wait until about 2:45, maybe even 3. And I'll turn it off, and then when Pam gets out at 4:30, we'll decide what time we're gonna eat. Right now it's lunchtime. Been shaking pretty good for the last hour or so. Good time for diabetic to eat. Okay, here's the time that we look at the food and see what it looks like. Looks like food. Smells like food.
Here, you want me to...
I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Wait a second.
Okay. Hey, go ahead.
Here we go.
So what are you doing now, John?
Taking the food out of the oven. Putting on our table I just wiped off.
Hey, we'll turn that light on so we can...
Okay.
There it is.
There's our food. For the vegetarians out there, is it dinner? Let's see.
They smell wonderful.
Yeah, got potatoes and onions in there, and green beans in the microwave. I was trying to find something to go with ribs. The only thing I could find was beer. There they are. Yeah. Barbecue ribs, just like Flintstones.
Oh, those look awesome. And how long did you leave those in?
I cooked them for about 100 minutes, which was almost 2 hours.
Okay.
And then I cooked them again just now for probably about an hour.
So are they falling apart or?
They're just falling right out the bone, yeah. They're really good.
I'm gonna put some more barbecue sauce on them.
Yeah, you put whatever you want on what you got on your plate. I like barbecue sauce, but I can't have all the sugar that's in it. Because of my diabetes. But there's the green beans to go with it.
And supper is on. So
Fresh from the microwave just a
we're
moment.
gonna, yeah.
Like Mom used to make.
Hey, so we're gonna eat this and
yeah, we're gonna put it on a plate and eat it. Well, we won't show that part because we're hungry.
yeah.
So, but this is what it looks like when you get done. Got red potatoes, onions, and pork ribs. And you can put whatever you want on them, if you like ketchup, barbecue sauce, or...
Mm-hmm.
So, give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Let us know if you want the full recipe if you didn't follow along. I tried to go as slow as I could to show you how to do it. But I do talk really fast, and sometimes people think I don't even talk English. But that's what we got for now. I wasn't going to do this part, but we're going to show it on a plate.
Yep. Here's the ribs.
That's barbecue sauce and potatoes and green beans. Are they edible?
Yes, they're falling out right off the bone. I had a little bit more barbecue sauce on mine.
That's fine. Are they good?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna swim around over here. Make us dizzy. Here's mine. I don't have barbecue sauce on it yet, but I'll put a little bit on there. I don't know how much sugar is even on this stuff.
It's probably like sweet.
Yeah, I just can't see it, but it's on the video. So just a little bit. I'll just remember taking insulin. I took my blood sugar earlier. It was 98 at lunchtime and 200 after. But that's what it looks like now. We're gonna eat it, and we won't show it come back out. So later.